look now at the tropics, specifically at Hurricane Beryl. Brand new drone video tonight shows the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl in Jamaica. The storm caused widespread damage. It hammered the island on Wednesday as a Category 4 storm. At least 10 people were killed in the southeast Caribbean. Hundreds were left homeless. The death toll is expected to rise as communication is restored to the affected islands. Meanwhile, people on the Gulf Coast are preparing for Hurricane Beryl as it moves towards South Texas. You can see in this video people are filling up sandbags. They're getting their storm shelters ready. Let's check in now with meteorologist Lee Southwick for a closer look at where Beryl is headed. And Lee, when could Beryl impact Texas and how strong is it forecasted to be?
So it is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane again. Right now, Beryl is a tropical storm still. This is as of the 5 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center, but it has winds of 60 miles an hour and it is expected to continue to strengthen before it makes landfall in South Texas. So take a look at this. This is your timing here. So it will likely strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane again tomorrow afternoon. Then it will approach Texas and likely make landfall Monday morning, again as a Category 1 hurricane. Perhaps winds up to around 85 miles an hour. From there, it will continue to move inland across places like Waco and then eventually the remnants over places like Little Rock and Paducah as well. But now we have more tropical alerts up. There are officially hurricane warnings in place for portions of the Texas coast, including Corpus Christi, and then in the Galveston area, tropical storm warnings getting up close to Houston. Also, we have the potential for storm surge all along the coast up to the South Padre Island area to Galveston. You can see all of that here, even reaching up closer to Houston and then down towards Corpus Christi as well. So they are going to be dealing with Category 1 hurricane impacts, surge and wind and heavy flooding rain. Now for us, not a whole lot of rain out there right now. In fact, earlier we did have this as a flood advisory and that just got canceled, but still a little bit of lightning flashing there near Nahunta, a bit more across portions of southeast Georgia, some heavy rain, some flashes of lightning at times. Right now we have more lightning starting to flash here along this cell that sweeps near Keystone Heights. And then we also have a little bit of activity over Columbia County too, near Lake City and off to the northeast of Lake City. But that's it. So not as much rain as we had earlier this afternoon. And a lot of us are still warm. The rain cools us down. Mother Nature's air conditioning, we like to call it, but not a lot of us got that cool down today. So temperature still sitting in the 80s and the 90s right now at 6:16 p.m. And it feels hotter than that. Feels like the triple digits for Palatka and for Waycross. So where do we go from here? Well, temperature is going to drop down through the 80s. It is a muggy night in store out there, but rain chances will continue to drop back through the overnight hours. And then we head into our Sunday. What are you doing for your Sunday? Maybe you're heading to the pool. It's a great idea. It's going to be hot again with temperatures, I will say highs right around 93 degrees tomorrow, but feeling hotter than that, feeling like the triple digits. We do have a 50% coverage of rain in the afternoon hours, so you'll just have to keep an eye on the sky, but it's not a washout. Not everyone will see rain. Keep it in mind again for the beaches too, but mainly thinking inland for the rain tomorrow. Be aware with the UV index, a burn time of 10 to 15 minutes, and we have a moderate rip current risk tomorrow. Now, rain chances bump up Monday and Tuesday, so both of these days, weather impact alert days because of the rain that's on the way. This will be from 12 to 7 p.m. both Monday and Tuesday. Heavy rain and storms possible, so make sure that you're prepared for the rain. We could have some ponding on the roadways, a little bit of street flooding, also gusty winds associated with those thunderstorms. So again, Monday and Tuesday, weather impact alert days, and we'll keep an eye on the rest of the rain for the week too as we approach next week.